Hey, what's up everybody? It's Landon with LMR.com, and you know what today is? It's Dyno Day, and man, we got a really good one for you guys today. Behind me is a 2021 Ford Bronco. This is the Big Bend series with the Sasquatch package in the very good looking Carbonized Gray. Now we're Mustang, we're Lightning folks, but at the end of the day, I mean, we speak Ford and we just like cars in general. So why the heck not? We're car guys. Let's put this thing on the dyno and see what it makes. This particular rig here, it has the 2.3 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder Ecoboost engine, which is rated at 270 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. This is a 10-speed, 10R80 Bronco, so our pulls are gonna be made in 7th gear, which is the 1-to-1 ratio. Out back with the Sasquatch package, you get the 470 rear gear, and that is a massive tire. That's a 315/70/17. Now we do have 93 octane fuel in the tank. Other than that, it being bone stock, 7th gear pull 1-to-1, we're probably gonna hit the speed limiter, okay? So I just wanna clear the air on that. So y'all know the drill. Y'all watch our dyno videos. We're gonna make a quick trip around this Bronco, make sure our straps are tight, our lug nuts are torqued, and we're gonna saddle up, see what it makes. All right, people, so let's take a look at some numbers on this 2021 Ford Bronco with the 2.3 liter 4-cylinder turbocharged Ecoboost engine. This thing, it performed. 225 horsepower at 4,800 RPM and 304 pound-feet of torque at 3,400 RPM. Now, I was right, the governor, it shut us down, okay? 95 miles per hour is where it quit out, and you can see that by the 4,800 RPM peak power in the horsepower department. So yes, this thing would probably make more power, and in typical Ford fashion, you under-promise and you over-deliver. And look at this thing. I mean, it is completely badass. So just because we can, let's compare this 2021 Bronco with the 2.3 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine to our 1996 Bronco that we recently dynoed, which has the 351 Windsor V8. That Bronco made 165 horsepower and 259 pound-feet of torque. So if you do the math, that's 60 horsepower and 45 pound-feet in favor of the little 4-cylinder here. So sorry, V8 bros, it just is what it is. Technology prevails, and what a time to be alive. All right, folks, we hope you enjoyed that one as much as we enjoyed bringing this cool stuff to all of you guys. And maybe as time goes on in the near future, hopefully we can have the 2.7 turbocharged V6 version of the Bronco on our dyno and really compare all three, but mainly compare the two that you could go to the Ford dealership and purchase. But before we sign off, big thanks to Bird Colgin. They're a local Ford dealership here. We've done business for several years with those guys. They were kind enough to let us borrow their demo unit and experience it. So y'all to do, you like the videos, subscribe to our channel for more awesome dyno videos like this one. And for all things Mustang, 79 to present Mustang, 1st and 2nd generation Lightning, occasional Bronco stuff, and whatever the heck we feel like doing, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.